much, got the sickness. Pray to God and His Son for forgiveness. Same crew, but another mistress. Every day, every night, getting wasted. But I miss you, what did I do? Fuck it up, laugh it off, and I lost you. If I pull through, is it too soon? Turn it up, close my eyes, then I'm with you. You're Marvin, stop calling. Sad Iverson is balling in the corner of a room by himself. You ain't nothing but an empty shell. Every night you're going down to hell. Fake love in a shit hotel. Can't believe how far he fell. You weak on the floor, so you call her cell. How you been? How you doing? You been good? I've been drinking way too much. You think that I'd be over you, over you, over you. But I think about it every day. Yeah, I never missed her anyways. Yeah, I never missed her anyways. Oh yeah. If I could go back just for a night, I would see the future and I'd make it alright. Oh darling, if life was a movie, I'd hit rewind. Yeah. Imagine if I knew how to turn back time. Imagine if I never messed up. Imagine if we never even broke up. Imagine if I had the power to control the voices in my head and I could tell them all to shut the fuck up. Imagine if I never told a lie. Imagine if I knew I'd always get it right. Imagine if I wasn't such a coward and I had the courage hidden somewhere in my heart to look you in the eye. Yeah. If I could go back just for a night, I would see the future and I'd make it alright. Oh darling, if life was a movie, I'd hit rewind. Yeah. Imagine if I knew how to turn back time. I was thinking like ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. Lost our love in the mess we made. Ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. If tomorrow was yesterday. I wonder if I saw your face again, would you be a stranger or would we be more than friends? Would this be the beginning or the long and winding road that takes us all the way around into the very bitter end? Yeah. Imagine if we never felt fear. Imagine we were brave enough to never hide the tears. Imagine if I didn't have to worry about everything around me and my sanity was actually here. Yeah. I just got so caught up in the moment, didn't even realize we were broken. Yeah. If I could go back just for a night, I would see the future and I'd make it alright. Oh darling, if life was a movie, I'd hit rewind. Yeah. Imagine if I knew how to turn back time. I was thinking like ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. Lost our love in the mess we made. Ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. If tomorrow was yes, I was thinking like ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. Lost our love in the mess we made. Ayo, ayo, ayo-okay. Imagine what the world be like if everybody stayed in love, if everybody stayed offline. Imagine what the world be like. Imagine what the world be like. Imagine what the world be like if everybody stayed in love, if everybody stayed offline. Imagine what the world be like. Imagine what the world be like. But until then, if I could go back just for a night, I would see the future and I'd make it alright. Oh darling, if life was a movie, I'd hit rewind. Yeah. Imagine if I knew how to turn back time.
You got me feeling so high. Yeah, I could all night. Yeah, and it ain't gon' stop. Nah, no, it ain't gon' stop. Nah. So the moon was high, the music was live. I was holding on your booty, looking you in the eye. You said, do you wanna ride? I said, do I wanna fly? Hell yeah. I've been dreaming about the sky my whole life, with a girl on my arm and a blunt on my lip, bumping my music up in heaven and they loving my shit. Biggie Pac in the fifth, me and Bob on a split. I could die the day I know the deal is bobbing his head. So I worked all night, and I worked so hard, I might lose my mind, but I ain't gon' stop until I get mine. No, I ain't gon' stop till I get my shine. Won't stop till I get mine. Said I ain't gon' stop. No, I ain't gon' stop. Said I ain't gon' stop. No, I ain't gon' stop. Feel like the sky's in the ceiling, meaning there's no limit to the feeling that I'm feeling. Say hi, you know I'm lifted. Hi. Some people change and act distant, but if I rearrange, it's that different. I'm taking a smoke break, hitting some bootay. Won't answer the phone, so don't call. Probably bumping some Coltrane, sipping some OJ. Sex in the morning, my life is hard. I'm by the bar, drinking holy water. California marijuana, she just wanna party, but I'm higher than an astronaut. I got feelings I can't bottle up. I just wanna love, but these girls, they just wanna fuck.
Spot a little hottie when I flipped up the shade, looking like a red rice sitting in the driveway. Bottle of Ciroc with her in a Kool-Aid. She done pulled up like I'm getting rid of waves. Are you tired from running through my mind? Take a break and we can have a good time. Show you moves like I'm the new James Brown. Me and you should get a room right now, cause if it's gold, I'll throw it away. You're worth more than every single chain. It ain't gonna work if you don't want it to. Best drink I take is when I'm sipping you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic. You know that I'm about to smash it, it's true. I could take you to the room or I could take you to the beach, but we gotta leave at 9 cause I gotta get my sleep. You could be the early bird, I'ma give you that worm. Get with me, I'll take you around the world. Cause if it's gold, I'll throw it away. You're worth more than every single chain. Walk with a limp, it just means I'm cool. Next trip I take is just me and you. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic. You know that I'm about to smash it, it's true. LeBeau. You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansions with you. And you look so classy. Come through with that magic. You know that I'm about to smash it, it's true.
Anytime you're leaving on you don't make it easy, no, no. I wish I could be there for you. It'll give me a reason to, every time I'm walking out, I need me to turn around.
What time do we need to be up there? Oh, well, they're already there.